Let's talk about that one place that we all like going to, but we end up using some boring phrases. When was the last time that you went to a party and used something quite creative? Well, in today's video, I will be sharing some of the top party expressions that you can use at the party, before the party, or after a party. Let's start learning. Alright, so a party or a get-together, a social gathering, they all mean literally the same thing. And now I know in this month that we are all going to be a bit frequently used to a lot of different parties. So let's start with some good party expressions that you can use. Let's start with some expressions that you can use for people who actually love going to party. Okay, so here we go. The first expression that you can use is have a whale of a time. Okay, now this is basically an idiom which just means have a great time or you have enjoyed yourself thoroughly. So an example sentence that you can use is we had a whale of a time at Jack's birthday party. See, we had a whale of a time at Jack's birthday party. That's how you put in that expression there. The second one that you can use is the life of the party. This is basically a phrase that is used for a person who is the center of attention or the main spotlight in a party. So you can say like, he is the life and soul of the party, or she is the life and soul of the party. You can also use another sentence like, hey, make sure you invite Jack to the party. He is the life of the party. Okay, or please don't forget to invite Jack. He is the life of the party. Another expression that you can use. The third one is let your hair down. Now this is mostly used for the ladies. However, you can use it anywhere. It doesn't matter. It just means to relax and enjoy yourself thoroughly. So say suppose you are in a party and then someone is not getting into the party mood. Then you can say, hey, come on, let your hair down for once and have a good time. That's it, okay? You can use it for any gender, it's fine. The fourth one that you can use is a social butterfly. That's right. This is an idiom that is basically used to describe a very social person. He is very outgoing and has a lot of friends and is always attending parties and parties. So for example, if you're using it in a sentence, you can say, Jack is a bit of a social butterfly. The fifth one is a party animal. What's that? It just means a person who loves going to parties. So you can say, if you're putting it in a sentence, Jack is a real party animal. He is never at home on the weekends. Now before we jump into the next few expressions, hey, if you are getting some value out of this video, please make sure to hit that like button. The next phrase is party pooper. Well, this is basically for a person who doesn't like party. An example sentence would be, hey, don't be such a party pooper. Let them enjoy the party the way they want to. Okay, party pooper is someone who doesn't like a party. The next expression is a wet blanket. Now this is used for a person who doesn't want to have fun. So say suppose you've got someone that you don't want to invite for a party. So you tell your friends, he's such a wet blanket. Let's not invite him for the party. Before we jump on to our next few phrases, we would love to have you on our YouTube community. And for that, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and hit that little bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we drop a new video. Okay, let's move on to some expressions that you can use for dancing. So here we go. The first one is put on your dancing shoes. This just gives an indication to start getting ready for dancing. If you put that expression in a sentence, it will be something like, hey, come on dude, Put on your dancing shoes. We're gonna hit the clubs. It's Friday night. Okay? Put on your dancing shoes means get ready because we are going to do some dancing. Okay? The next one that you can use is burn up the dance floor, which means dance a lot. An example sentence would be, every Saturday night, Jack and Jill likes to go to a club to burn up the dance floor. The next one that you can use is a slow dance. Slow dance, this is basically for romantic dances. And an example sentence would be, on their wedding reception, she got a chance to have a slow dance with Jack. Very simple one, right? Now, that's all for today, my dear friends, and let me know in the comment section if you have any favorites or if you've got anything new. Please drop it in the comment section below. You can also sign up with us for any English language courses by visiting our website and checking out our different packages. If you want to talk to me personally, then please fill out the contact form that is there in the comment section below. Drop in your details and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Feel free to share this video with your friends and also do check out some of our other videos that will be popping up in some time. This is also our last video for this year and I'm pretty sure you all are going to attend some parties. I'm going to attend a Christmas party and then a New Year party. Till we meet again for our next video, that is next year, this is your tutor Noel wishing you a happy and a fantastic New Year ahead. Ciao.